Good morning, students of class 5. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6, adjectives. So, children, you have already studied what is adjective. So, let us start with the chapter. Words that tell us more about nouns are called describing words or adjectives. The words which tell more about nouns are called describing words or objectives. जो वर्ड्स नाउन के बारे में बताते हैं, the words which tell more about nouns and they describe the nouns are known as adjective. Adjectives gives us more information about nouns such as shape, size, color, age, number, quantity, taste, how something feels, the order or position of something, and even show belonging or possessions. So what does adjectives tells us? The adjectives gives us more information about nouns such as shape. किसी भी nouns के shape के बारे में बताता है, जैसे such as circular track. ट्रैक का शेप क्या है? तो वो सर्कुलर है. साइज, स्मॉल हाउस, बिग हाउस, साइज के बारे में बताता है. कलर के बारे में बताता है, रेड एप्पल्स, येलो बनानास, ऑरेंज ऑरेंजेस. ओके. एज, व्हेन इट टेल अबाउट एज, 7 years old, 6 years old. नंबर, 7, 8, 9, 10. ओके. व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट क्वांटिटी, सम ऑयल, लेस ऑयल, more oil. Okay. Taste, bitter, sweet. How something feels, कैसा फील होता है, जैसे कि सॉफ्ट क्लोथ जो है वो सॉफ्ट है. द हेयर, द हार्श, द रफ स्किन. ओके. फील, कैसा कोई चीज़ फील करता है. ओके. द ऑर्डर ऑफ पोजिशन ऑफ समथिंग, द ऑर्डर ऑफ पोजिशन, he got the first prize, he got the second prize, third prize, and even show belonging or possession, or even it shows belonging or possession, that the things belongs to the person, my company, his company, her company. So these all things comes under adjective. When the noun which is used in the sentence gives more information about the adjectives which is used, the words which is used in the sentence gives us more information about the nouns. Okay. Nouns के बारे में ज़्यादा बताता है, then it comes under adjectives. Examples are given here: circular track, red apples, small house, 7 years old, 8 bananas, some oil, sweet mango, soft cloth, third prize, many companies. Now next, what and which are used as adjectives in question when they modify a noun, that is they limit the sense in which a noun is used. What and which are interrogative adjectives. So what and which are used as adjective in question. What और which का यूज़ कब होता है? इट इज़ यूज इन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. जब क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है तो what और which का यूज़ होता है, एंड दे लिमिट द सेंस इन विच द नाउन इज यूज्ड. और जो सेंस जिस तरह नाउन का यूज़ होता है वो लिमिट करता है. ओके. नाउन की जो यूज़ होती है उसको लिमिट करता है, काउंटलेस नहीं होता है, वो लिमिटेड होता है. What and which are interrogative adjectives, और what और which है, these both are interrogative adjective, as it is asking question. What paper is this? Which house is yours? Okay. तो यहाँ पे which house is yours है तो सब हाउस दिखाकर तो नहीं बोलेंगे कि कितने सारे कौन सा हाउस तुम्हारा है. which house is yours, 2 और 3 4 हाउस दिखेगा तो बोलेंगे which house is yours. तो ये लिमिटेड होता है. what paper is this, तो जो पेपर दिखा रहे हो सकता है 2-3 पेपर होगा तो पूछेंगे व्हाट पेपर इज दिस, ये कैसा पेपर है. ओके. तो इट लिमिट्स द नाउन. द एडजेक्टिव व्हाट इज आल्सो यूज्ड इन एन एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंस. तो एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस, जब व्हाट का यूज़ होता है, इट इज़ ऑल्सो यूज इन एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंस। जब एक्सक्लेमेशन होता है, जब किसी चीज़ को देख के हम लोग एक्सक्लेम करते हैं, दैट टाइम ऑल्सो, in that sense also this adjective is used. What a beautiful place. Okay, what nonsense. So here what is used as an exclamation. Exclamatory sense it is used. Okay, the adjective own is used to highlight belongings. Own, own is used to highlight the belongings. When something is belonging to the person, then the adjective own is used. Example, I want my own room. Okay, I am going to my own bedroom. Okay, so जब किसी चीज़ की belonging के बारे में बात हो, तो then the words own is used in that sense. The adjective very is also used to highlight something. वेरी का यूज़ कब है? जब किसी चीज़ को हाईलाइट करते हैं, जैसे वेरी स्वीट, वेरी सोर, वेरी बिटर. ओके, किसी भी चीज़ को हाईलाइट करते हैं तो फिर वेरी का यूज़ होता है. एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज़ द वेरी प्लेस ही फेल. दिस इज़ द वेरी प्लेस ही फेल. The class is very quiet. Okay, ये class, this class is very quiet. She is quiet girl. She is very quiet girl. It is used for highlighting. जब हम किसी चीज़ को highlight करते हैं, then it is used. So adjective are describing words. It describes the nouns and it tells more about the nouns. Okay, adjective tells more about the nouns. Adjective gives us information about nouns such as shape, size, color, age, number, quantity, taste, how something feels, and order or position of something, and even show belongings or positions. Okay children, so this was the chapter. Chapter was too easy, too simple, so you would have understood this. So there are some exercises in page number 41, 42 and 43 and 44. Okay, so you have to solve the exercises, and I will give you PDF of the, I will send you the PDF of the exercises. Okay, try to solve it out. You all have books. Try to solve out the exercises, and I will send you the PDF today itself. Okay children, write this answers in, try to write the answers in the book. It's too easy. Leaves are green. It's too easy. Leaves are green. On sunny days the sky is, you have to write the colors, fill in the blanks with the names of colors. Leaves are green, everybody knows. Okay, on sunny days the sky is, adjective you have to use, and the color's name, blue. On rainy day the clouds are orange. Milk is white. The baby doll has pink cheeks. Apples are red. Lemons are yellow. Wood is brown. It's too easy. Okay. Use suitable adjective to complete the sentences. He could not lift the box. It was very heavy. After her illness, she could not walk. She was too weak. She could easily carry the basket. It was very light. We could not see inside the cellar. It was very dark. Which day is today? The room was very airy. Sunlight streamed in through the windows. He is very strong. He is a boxer. This is a beautiful painting. Okay, this two I have discussed, children. So I'll send you, try to solve it out, and I'll send you the PDF. Okay. Study at home and study hard and be safe. Okay children, thank you.